If you hit properly, it gives this sound. Now let me try all unwanted sounds. See how many varieties of unwanted sounds are there. It's like virus. Universal percussion drumming is all about how well you understand four. It is like four Vedas. Ta, Dhi, Thom, Nam. Ta, taka, Dhi, taka, Thom, taka, Nam, taka. You play Ta, Ta, Dhi, but you say Ta, Taka. Thom, Thom, Nam, Nam. Also can be called as Gugu Nana. Tatta gugu nana, di di gugu nana, tom tom gugu nana, nam nam gugu nana. Both ta and tom comes on left side. Ta, tom. We use kita as bridge to connect ta and tom. Ta takata kita tom, di takata kita tom, takata kita tom, nam takata kita tom. A beautiful combination comes. Ta, ta, talang. There are some syllables which we play on meet. This is called meet cholkal, meet shabdam. Dheem and jhem are same, playing right and left together with nadam. When you present it in a professional manner after practicing, see how beautiful it sounds.